Hey everybody, it's me Cloudy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm back with another Roblox video and I'm currently in Bloxburg because today I'm going to be showing you all the ways you can get Bloxbux in Bloxburg for free. So before we actually get started on how you can earn the Bloxbux, first we're going to talk about what are Bloxbux and how you can spend them. So Bloxbux are one of the two currencies in Bloxburg. If we go down here on the left side of the screen, we can see there is two currencies. One of them is purple and that is exactly the Bloxbux. As you can see, they cost Robux, so a lot of people aren't able to get them. But there is a couple of ways you can get them for free, and I'll be showing you them today. Now, let's get on to how you can spend your Bloxbux. The first way is your moods. Instead of working to get your moods up, like eating, sleeping, and stuff, you can boost them for 25 Bloxbux, which is a much faster way. It boosts all your moods up to the 100%. Next way you can spend them is in build mode. Right when we enter build mode, after we click the decorate category, under new you can see Bloxbux. If you click that, you'll see all the items in build mode you can use for decorations that cost Bloxbux. Now there's things from 25 Bloxbux to 8,000 Bloxbux, like the limousine. And some of these things are pretty cool, not gonna lie, so you might want them. So the third way to spend your Bloxbux is by buying outfit slots. When you buy a closet in build mode and you go up to it, as you can see, you have outfits. I already have a couple of slots, but if we go to customize character, you can see there's outfits. These outfits you need Bloxbux for. Not the actual clothes, but the slots. So if you don't want to make a new outfit every time, you can make one and save it, but still have your usual one. This option is great for people who roleplay in the game, but buying a new outfit slot is 60 Bloxbux. So that's one way to spend your Bloxbux. So we're back at the main menu of Bloxburg. When you build a house, you might want to build a new one again or build something else that's not a house, but you want to keep your old house, right? So to do that, you need a plot. For example, I have my family home on one plot, and on the second plot, I can build whatever I want without deleting my house. But unfortunately, if you want another plot, you need to spend 300 Bloxbux because you only get one plot for free in the game. These were all the ways you can spend your Bloxbux, but now let's get on to how you can earn them for free. So there is a couple of ways you can earn free Bloxbux in Bloxburg, but they divide into two categories. The first one is all year long, and the second one is seasonal events. Now, the first way you can earn Bloxbux all year around is by login streaks. So every time when you log into Bloxburg, you see this screen. Basically, if you log in for 5 days, on the 5th day, you get 20 Bloxbux if you're a non-premium player, and if you're a premium player, you get 40 Bloxbux. So you don't really have to do much. You just need to log in, claim the reward, and if you don't feel like playing, just leave the game. But it still gives you a reward, and if you save up for a month, you will receive, for a non-premium player, 120 Bloxbux, and for a premium player, you'll get 240 Bloxbux. So I think that's not a shabby amount if you just need to log in every day, claim your reward at least, and leave the game. Speaking of logging in and joining the game, that brings me to our next way to earn Bloxbux for free, and that is by visit trophies. You receive the visit trophies by joining the game a certain amount of times. There's 3 types of trophies: 30-day trophy, 100-day trophy, and 365-day trophy. To get the visit trophies, you don't need to have a 30-day streak, for example. You just need to join the game 30 times. They could be completely random times. You could miss between every single day, but if you have joined the game 30 times, no matter the order, if it was a streak or not, you still get it. So the first trophy you get, which is the 30-day login trophy, you receive 200 Bloxburg. The 100-day trophies, as you can see, gives you 500 Bloxburg. And the most important one, which is the 1-year visit trophy, gives you 2,000 Bloxburg. So moving on, the next way to get Bloxburg for free all year round is actually something pretty interesting that not a lot of people know about. And that is buying Roblox outfits in Bloxburg. What I mean by this is when you go to your closet in Bloxburg and you go to customize your avatar in Bloxburg, as you can see, the stuff are UGC from Roblox. So if you go to buy it for Robux, as you can see, you buy this outfit for your Roblox avatar and receive 25 Bloxburg. So if you want to buy something from the UGC catalog anyway, you might as well do it in Bloxburg because you'll also receive Bloxburg for free. So these are the only ways you can get Bloxburg all year round. Now I'm going to tell you about some ways you can get them during seasonal events. So Bloxburg does some seasonal events. For example, you have the Halloween maze, which is the first one that's coming up. And if you complete it, you get Bloxburg. The next one after the Halloween maze is the Christmas elf event. So basically what happens is that every day in December, there is one elf hidden around the map. And if you find all of the elves at the end, you get Bloxburg. And there's other events like the RB battles, which also gives you Bloxburg. But those Bloxburg can only be received when the seasonal event is going on, so not all year round. So these were all the ways you can get Bloxburg in Bloxburg for free. So that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for my channel. And as well as if you have any videos you want to see from me, feel free to comment down below. So this was all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.